Myself Kalpana Painagodi, Assistant Professor of Physics, Government First Grade College, Gokak.
Myself Lakshmi Adwad, Guest Faculty, Government First Grade College, Gokak.
Myself Mohammad Rafiq Bedgi, working as a guest lecturer in Government First Grade Degree College, Gokak.
Today we will discuss about one of the experiment, that is frequency of AC by sonometer. This is for BSc second sem RCU University. So aim of this experiment is to find frequency of AC source using sonometer. Frequency of AC by sonometer. Aim of this experiment is to find frequency of AC source using sonometer. Formula used to find frequency of AC using sonometer is frequency N is equal to 1 divided by 2L root of T divided by small m, where L is vibrating length of the wire. Unit is meter. T is tension applied to the wire. Tension applied. Small m is mass per unit length of the wire. Mass per unit length of the wire. And this frequency is measured in units of hertz. Symbol is Hz. Apparatus used to find the frequency of AC by sonometer are sonometer, bar magnets, two bridges, ammeter used to control the current, transformer, plug key, rheostat. And these all apparatus are placed as per the circuit diagram. One end of the sonometer wire is connected to positive terminal of the ammeter, negative terminal to transformer, transformer to the plug key to the lower end of the rheostat, and upper end of the rheostat is connected to sonometer. This is circuit connection. In the record of observation, m, small m, mass per unit length of the wire is given and is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg per meter. This is the tabular column to find the frequency of AC. Mass suspended from the wire, capital M, kg. Tension, capital T is equal to capital M into Z, where G is acceleration due to gravity at the given place. Vibrating length of the wire, L1 and L2, and mean L is equal to L1 plus L2 divided by 2. Frequency of the AC, N is equal to 1 by 2L root T divided by M in hertz. In the procedure, we have to apply mass to the wire. So here we have applied 300 gram mass is applied to the string. 300 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. 300 into 9.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 is the tension. For the mass applied 300 gram, so we have to find the vibrating length. So for this we have to move these bridges slowly till we will get wire vibrating with maximum amplitude. So I am moving two bridges. Slowly we have to move till wire vibrates with maximum amplitude. See here, it starts vibrating with the maximum amplitude. Now wire is vibrating with the maximum amplitude. So we have to find the vibrating length, that is length between the two bridges. So I will measure the balancing length and it is 46 centimeter. For the same mass 300 gram, we have to find L2 as the vibrating length. So again I will move these two bridges. See here, it starts vibrating. It's vibrating with the maximum amplitude. See, so it's vibrating with the maximum amplitude. Again I will measure the length of the vibrating. So it is 46 centimeter. So after finding L1 and L2, we have to find mean length. Mean length is 46 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Then using mass applied, we can calculate tension. Tension is 2.94 Newton and balancing vibrating length is 46 into 10 raised to minus 2. So using these two, substitute the value of L, tension applied, and mass per unit length in this expression to calculate frequency of the AC by the sonometer. For this trial, substitute the value of T 2.94, small m 1.53 into 10 raised to minus 3 and vibrating length 46 into 10 raised to minus 2. We will get N is equal to 1 divided by 2 into L is 0.46, root of tension is 2.94 and mass per unit length is 1.53 into 10 raised to minus 3. So after simplification you will get N is equal to 47.79 Hertz. This is frequency of the AC source using sonometer. So the same procedure is repeated for another mass. So we have to apply mass to the string 350, 400, 450, 500 like this. Then we have to find for each mass vibrating length is measured and substituting the value of L, tension, mass per unit length, we have to calculate frequency of AC for each trial and take mean of all these. Then you will get the frequency of the AC by the sonometer method. This is the procedure to find the frequency of AC using sonometer. Thank you very much.